Hi. Thanks for clicking. Everybody, today on Never Done It, I replace a sump pump check valve. Let's do it. I suppose I should probably add the important stuff. So make sure it is at least a little drained, so that way it's not going to kick on right away, and if you get some water in there, it's not going to start overflowing. Before you take off any of those hose clamps, unplug it. Let's get to it. Oh, yeah, I suppose I should probably run it for a little bit. Get it a bit drained. And then I guess I can show you the sound that it makes. It's so annoying. Yep. And that's why I'm replacing it. So now we figure out what plug it is. We unplug it. And now we try and take off these rusty hose clamps because they are very rusty. So yeah, since it is an anti-drain back valve, you want to take off the bottom side first, because anything above here is water. So pop that off of this PVC pipe, put it in a bucket, pop the check valve up so that way it drains, and then you can remove the top and take it off. Easier said than done, probably, because it's probably been on here for a while. And I don't know how well this is gonna work. Well, I can hear something flowing, so it is probably letting air in right here, so that way the water below the check valve can drain back into the sump hole. I haven't seen that much rust since I worked on a Pontiac. Got my trusty screwdriver and a bucket. I know you're gonna have a good view of this. I guess just the best I can. Some pressure back there. Stop flowing. Okay. I got just a little bit wet. Well, so when the check valve engages to stop the pressure, and there isn't a hose to hold it up, yeah, it might just fall off. That is exactly what happened. I hope I caught that. I probably didn't, but alright, back to it. Yeah, there's some water over there. There's some water everywhere. That's okay. And there's water in my arms. And all over the bucket. That's what mops are for, right? Just mop up the carpet over here. I don't think it's clamp holding it on at all. You can stop backflowing any time now. You should be wet. You should be slippery. Come on. I really don't want to just cut it because I don't have a razor blade right here. Maybe I should loosen this top clamp, and maybe I should just take them off. Fun, I've never done it. Clamp. Clamp. Da-da-da-da. There's one connection. And the other one that will probably drop more water because there's still water falling. Oh, that thing was barely on there. Oh, it's a good thing it got done. I've spent so many years being so dirty working on cars and working in mud and all of that, but I still do not like getting dirty. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So now, double check tightness on these clamps here. You get the real stuff off of my screwdriver. Then you always look for the flow arrow. Something like that. You might be able to see it. I don't know. It go that way. That looks good. That's a solid inch. And butter. Because you can feel inside the rubber, you can feel where the pipe ends. And I think that is good. Alright, now we're gonna plug it in carefully. And moment of truth. I'm just gonna take you in there and you're gonna be my eyes. Alright, turn it on. Let it run for a second. It was always worse when it ran for a little bit. And off. Let me try it again just because, that's... Dunk. That's so relieving. Hey everybody, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single view. And if you like it, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And then Patreon, $1 a month for extra videos. Thank you. Thank you everyone. I appreciate all of you.